No name. No name. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bling a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I may say attack. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Another female, my people, has been murdered in Jamaica. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Yes, my people. So this female, who them say is a Jamaican national, but resided in the United Kingdom, my viewers and subscribers, over in England, was found yesterday, Monday, my people, in a Kingston, Jamaica, basically in our apartment, my people, murdered. You understand? So the police has listed a person of interest in the whole thing, a male suspect, my people, and the female age is just 29 years old. Sad, not true, my people? Female murdered. Them list a person of interest who is a man. But the whole thing about this thing and now, my people, is when the attacking boss comes up home, go on social media, my people, and say we're a female, not a fake account, a real account, who knew this female, my people, and made a post about her and exposing certain things about her. I'm telling you now, my people, a female. And this female basically don't even know the man personally who is a person of interest. But this female is not holding nothing back, because she make we know straight up say, look at a man, the 29-year-old girl who was found murdered, you understand, was a trouble. She was warned. She was talked to, my people, you understand, but she never listened. She used a tough years, and the tough years that she used leaded to our death. But I'm saying, my people, it still give no man no right to take nobody life, because you can't blow breath in a man, you can't give people life. Yes, you can go, they go show your thing, yes, and farm, you know what I mean, in the human belly and make something, yes, but still, you are not the one who blow breath in a man, so you know fi take nobody life. But my people, as me say, basically, she lead, you know what I mean? Why? Let me just read this thing on my people, because Jaja sees Jaja now. I want to get the full understanding where me I come from. See? So this person, now going to disclose her name, my people, but basically, I'm telling her, not a fake account, and she's a Jamaican national also, who live in England, you understand, and know this female very well. And she said, what a 2022 so far, Jesus. Ladies, stop going through man's phone. Stop telling man about their mother. Stop provoking them, because this is what led to Sapphire death. 29-year-old, she has a 10-year-old son and was living careless. This was someone I knew, and we talked to her go and come, and she never listened, and see what happened. Because she wasn't listening, we stopped talking to her. We said to be careful of some of these men you're running around with. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. You ever hear the saying, don't push water uphill? Yes. Sorry to see your life taken like this, but everyone expected it. All in England, she disgraced men by putting up their private parts in videos and blackmailed them. She was 29, but have a brain of a child. If man don't want you because of your behavior, leave them alone. And the worst thing, she was studying to become a liar. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. And the end of the post said, the halfway tree police have listed Leighton Delahaye of James Hill, Clarendon as a person of interest in the murder of a foreign resident in St. Andrew. Sapphire David, 29, a Jamaican living in the United Kingdom, was murdered at a house. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So when I hear everything in this, my people, see, she is a Jamaican living in England, my people. And we all know over the weekend and what occurred, my people, with Queenie and D0WEY. You understand? All of them something they do. You say Queenie bust up face and D0WEY move out and thing. Yes, D0WEY find back himself a yard and thing. Yeah, don't know that. But what I'm saying, my people, on a real level, you know, Wonder if this man, this person of interest, you know, as well this female, so this woman always disgrace man, provoke man, do this, do this. So wonder if this man is watching the world do it thing and say where all of these comments and talks and say, look, you know, I the same thing this woman from England want to do me nah take it saying people, and him just snap. What if? No joking up people. This is reality and this all life set. This is how the devil work. You know, at the moment, at the time, him say what is going on social media, my people. With do we a ball out and a cry up and a show something upon face, my people. Then two twos, you know, him just come to reality and say, yo, I the same thing this woman that want to come deal with me. How she a deal with me so? Me a big man, you know. She can't come run, you know what I mean? And that's it, my people. As them say, she was found by people in the apartment, in a one tub in the bathroom, them people, full of blood. And basically, them say like a knife, the person use and take her 3 points out. And look here, you see when a female bold enough come on social media, my people, not hiding her identity, my people, you know what I mean? Come straight up and make a post and has this to say about another female after she was brutally murdered. People, you must know there's something really not right about that female. See? Them say them talk to her going out, talk to her coming in, my people. Stop the way I do to the men them. Stop. She not listen, my people. That's what them say. She blackmail other men before by making videos, post it up and do this and do that and do that and do that, my people. And so where reached though? She gone. Left her 10-year-old son. Ladies out there, women out there, girls out there, women out there who still being a child based on what this person say because them say she is a grown woman but have the brain cell of a local picnic. Listen what the attacking boss say. If you find yourself in a situation you want to feel like you know run man head and control man, me know some man for respect, you know, yes. You understand? Truthfully, you know, together, married relationship, respect is due. But some of you know over secure, you know no head when you come on to certain thing, you know make because of jealousy and controlling, you know feel like you know tough, you know bad, you know wicked, you know do certain things. Not because the man want to look soup and the man me fool and tup. You understand? But still, he give you no right for you beat him and fling him around this and dash him around this. So, you understand? I don't believe business with the phone part about searching phone. Me no business with that part there. You know. A phone no business that. See? You know want to search over me no business. But when me talk about is the thing when you feel like you know want to beat man, you know want to do this to man, you know want to do that. Same go say woman, but we are dealing with that situation right now, people, where this person make a post, but still yet. Listen when I say people, it give no man no right to take nobody life with that. See? Run away. She come from England, come to Jamaica, whether she come for see her or whatever do. She not live at Jamaica. She live at England. She come down there. You know what I mean? But see then, if I really provocation or whatever blackmail business or whatever happen, you get what me I say? There's other way this could have fixed, but not the way where you go take out our 3 points as a man. Cause now, if you really do it now, see, you is a person of interest right now. So you know that can lead to right now. You finish, you're done, you end. All because of what? Me understand the situation. You hurt about the whole thing and the whole fact say whatever go on if I say you really go. But still, give you no rights, G. You understand? No rights. You get me? No rights to take out our 3 points. As me say, woman out there, me a talk to you, listen me, Use this as a warning, as a stepping stone. Sad for know that her 3 points is gone like that. See? Sad. Should never go that way there. You get me? I say people, just in the period of the time, people, we see what go on over the weekend with Queen Lady this. And I'm saying, basically, like this man say the whole thing I go on and say, yo, no, sir, the same thing. If someone can come at people and say she was controlling, she was this, she was that, them talk to her, she run from that man to that man there. She fling again Larry, she fling again Danny, she fling again attacker in boss. Oh my, she never fling again me. No, you know what I mean? She fling it around there, so she fling it all over the place. From England to Jamaica, back forth. She buy a ticket, she fly down, just forget it, my people. And so I go on, them take out our 3 points. Ladies, be careful. Gone left our 10-year-old youth. On a life value way more Be careful. Sad, my people. And me still a go push out and say my condolences to her family. And for this same thing, you know, who them say response to it. Because I tell them, I not go back here, you know. I not go support what you do. See? I hope them really, you know what I mean, find the right evidence and prove upon you. And them sink you down. Really and truly. But ladies, as me say, use this as a warning. It's sad, you know. She gone like that from England to Jamaica, straight to her death. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Crow rooster, crow. Let go it, my rooster, let go it. The top now, Jaja. My people, big up on yourself and please remember to do like, do share, do comment and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Thank you all my people for the love and for the support. And you don't know the thing, come on, a one team, one scheme, one dream. And ladies out there, please be careful. Jaja says, finish that for me. I'm out.